Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will explore a critical question. How much money do you need to retire comfortably? Understanding this is essential for anyone planning their financial future. Having a clear retirement target can help you save smarter and live better in your golden years. So let's dive in to learn about simple math that can guide you to a secure retirement. Retirement planning can seem overwhelming, but it boils down to a few basic concepts. At its core, the amount you need to retire depends on your living expenses, retirement age, and life expectancy. Retirement planning exists because, ideally, you want to maintain your lifestyle without relying on work income. The goal is to have enough savings and investments to cover your expenses for potentially decades. In simple terms, retirement planning is about ensuring you have funds to support yourself when you no longer earn a paycheck. Now, let's break down the math of retirement savings. A common rule of thumb is the 4% rule. This suggests that if you withdraw 4% of your retirement savings each year, your money should last for at least 30 years. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Estimate your annual expenses. First, calculate how much money you need each year. For example, if you think you'll need $50,000 a year to live comfortably, this is your target. 2. Multiply by 25. Next, multiply your annual expenses by 25. This is based on the 4% withdrawal rule. In our example, $50,000 multiplied by 25 equals $1,250,000. This means you'll need $1.25 million saved up for retirement. 3. Consider other income. If you expect Social Security benefits or pensions, factor those into your calculations. For instance, if you anticipate receiving $20,000 a year from Social Security, your expenses will be effectively reduced to $30,000. 4. Recalculate your target. Now multiply $30,000 by 25, which gives you $750,000 as your new savings goal. This is a simplified approach, but it gives you a solid starting point to figure out how much to save. Part 4. Real-world example. Let's consider a realistic scenario. Imagine you are 30 years old and plan to retire at 65. You estimate your annual expenses at $60,000 when you retire. Using the earlier method, 1. Multiply $60,000 by 25. This means you will need $1.5 million by the time you retire. 2. If you currently have $100,000 saved, you'll need to save an additional $1.4 million over 35 years. 3. Assuming an average annual return of 7% on your investments, you can use a retirement calculator to see how much you need to save each month. For example, saving around $1,200 each month could help you reach your goal. Let's look at the benefits and limits of these calculations. Benefits. The 4% rule is a simple guideline that can help you plan effectively. It allows you to see a clear target, making your savings feel more achievable. The calculations can guide you in adjusting your lifestyle to meet your goals. Limits. The 4% rule is based on historical data and may not guarantee success in every economic situation. Inflation can erode your purchasing power over time, so it's important to factor that in. Individual circumstances vary greatly, and one size doesn't fit all. In short, while the 4% rule is a helpful guideline, it's essential to tailor your plan to your specific needs. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes beginners make when calculating their retirement needs. 1. Underestimating expenses. Many people forget to include healthcare, taxes, and unexpected costs in their retirement calculations. Always account for these factors. 2. Ignoring inflation. Failing to consider inflation can lead to a significant shortfall. Remember, the cost of living usually rises over time. 3. Not reassessing goals. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Regularly review your goals and adjust your savings as necessary. 4. Relying solely on Social Security. While it may provide some income, it typically won't cover all your expenses. Plan for additional savings. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve your retirement readiness. Part 7. Simple Starting Plan. Here's a straightforward plan for beginners looking to start saving for retirement. 1. Set your goals. Determine your desired lifestyle and estimate your annual expenses in retirement. 2. Use the 4% rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25 to set your savings target. 3. Create a budget. Develop a monthly budget that includes retirement savings. Aim to save at least 15% of your income. 4. Choose investment accounts. Utilize retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. These accounts often have tax advantages, helping your savings grow faster. 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts each month. This makes saving effortless. By following these steps, you'll take significant strides toward a secure retirement. In summary, understanding how much you need to retire is crucial for your financial well-being. By using simple math and guidelines like the 4% rule, you can set achievable goals for your retirement savings. Remember, planning for retirement is a journey. The earlier you start, the better prepared you will be. Keep learning and adjusting your plan as needed. Thank you for watching, and take care of your financial future.